A pie chart is very helpful for showing how a certain category is divided. So see here we have the makings of a pie chart, but it's still missing a lot. Right now all we have is information that we need to plug into this pie chart. So right here we have the expenses of Joe. So rent is $200, food is $100, gas is $50, and entertainment is $50. And this is per month. So first we need a title for this pie chart. So the title is going to be Joe's monthly expenses. So the great thing about a title is it allows the reader of the graph to quickly look at this graph, see the title, and know what this pie chart is going to pertain to. So now we first need to realize or understand how much money total is being spent. So here is $400 total. 200 plus 100 plus 50 plus 50 is 400. So we see here rent is $200. So if rent is 200, then we can reduce this down to 2 over 1, or flip it over. So here we realize the important thing is that you realize that 200 is 1/2 of 400. So if we draw a line right here, we realize that rent is half, or 50% of all of Joe's expenses. Well, food is $100, so that's a quarter of it. And then gas and entertainment are 50 each. So if this half right here represents 200 and this quarter represents 100, then $50 should represent half of a quarter, or an eighth of the total expenses. So we'll put gas here and entertainment, which I'll just abbreviate. So now you can clearly look at this pie chart and understand how the expenses are split up. Because over here you have money amounts, and that's important because someone may want to know, okay, how much is this person spending on gas? They can look, okay, $50. But what's great about this right here is it helps the reader get a visual understanding of this information up here. It helps them understand in their mind what percentage of the person's income is being spent on what. And so someone can easily see here, okay, they're spending less money on gas than they are on food, and they're spending the same amount of money that they are on gas as entertainment, and they're spending twice as much money on rent as they are on food. So it provides a very visual representation. So when making a pie chart, it's important that the writer title it, and they also need to understand what percentage of the whole each thing represents. So here someone needs to see, okay, entertainment, $50, and the total expenses are $400, and realize that 50 is 1/8 of that. So entertainment can only be 1/8 of this circle right here, because if it was a bigger area of the circle, then it would be disproportional, and it wouldn't clearly convey to the reader. So the important thing here to remember is that a pie chart is a visual way to show how a category is divided up.